Yeah, hi, Krishna. So,
Hello.
uh, hello everyone. In this session, we are going to discuss with Krishna because he got rank 237 in 5-year Maharashtra CET Law 2020 exam. Okay, so Krishna, just tell me like how you feeling now? You have got 237 rank, okay, and 110 score. Basically, it's an amazing score looking at the difficulty level of the paper. So just tell us about your thought on this.
To be very honest, till this very moment, I cannot believe that I have scored 110 out of 150. Uh, I had finished my exam. I told my parents that my paper had gone well, but I never expected that it would be this good. But still, keeping my fingers crossed. As you know, OMS category doesn't have those many seats,
Right.
so I'm hoping for the best.
Which college you are expecting?
Uh, I'm trying my best to get into GLC, else ILS would be good too.
Okay, that's great, and our prayers are with you. So definitely you will get your dream college. Okay, and am I audible?
I'm sorry, your voice is breaking.
Uh, just a second, let me check. Am I audible now? Am I audible, Krishna?
Yeah, yes, you are. Yep,
Okay. ठीक है,
you're
so
good.
just tell us like what was your strategy to crack 5-year Maharashtra CET Law 2020 exam?
Okay, I was trying very hard to crack CLAT basically, but it so happened that this year's paper turned out to be very unexpected and very lengthy apparently. Basically, my MHCET preparation began after I finished my CLAT. Since my paper didn't go so well, I was keen on clearing MHCET and trying even harder.
Okay, okay. So what was your subject-wise strategy? Like because then
So,
your tips can help to other future aspirants.
you mean the preference in which I solved the paper?
Yes, yes.
I started with current affairs because
Okay.
that was kind of my strength.
Mhm.
Then legal, after that English, after that maths. Then in the end, it was logical reasoning.
Okay, so logical reasoning you kept on last. ठीक है. Any specific,
Yes.
okay, any specific or you can say any tips for future aspirants who are going to write Maharashtra CET law exam in 2021 or in 22?
As far as I can say, it's more uh, from what I have seen. Legal and logical reasoning are mostly the deciding factors in the game. Legal is moderately difficult. I mean, it's just that if one keeps on repeating the same, keeps on practicing throughout the year, the standard questions. That's it. Nothing else. Just the standard ones. And I think it would be good enough to clear MHCET. And I think not clearing CLAT is not the end. There are still exams like MSCET which can give a person a second opportunity to show what they can do.
Yes, is right. I agree with you, Krishna, because there are many students who write CLAT, but they don't get the marks they want. Okay, because the seats are very limited in NLUs. Okay, but
Yes, true.
GLS definitely there are few more colleges uh, which are known to be like NLUs. Okay, so that's why we recommend to focus on CET after CLAT. Okay, and
Yes.
so thank you so much, Krishna.
Speaking from,
Yes, yes, please go ahead.
yeah.
Go ahead.
I just wanted to add on to that. Speaking from my personal experience, I was someone who was among the 3000s. My rank was in 3000s in CLAT, and I still managed to get 237 in MHCET. It means
That's
it's
great.
not just about the exam; it's which one you're comfortable with.
True, 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 true. Yes, because this year the paper pattern, basically the question type, okay, of CLAT got changed. So that was the reason. Okay, and
Yeah.
so definitely thanks for
Yes.
the time, Krishna, and definitely our future aspirants, the future CET
My pleasure.
aspirants will see this video and they will decide in which order they can write the paper. and your thanks for your valuable tips. And definitely our prayers are with you. Definitely you will get your desired college. Thank you so much, Krishna, for your time.
Thank you. Thank you so much.